We're all familiar with junk email or spam email, and none of us like to receive this type of email in our inbox. Unfortunately, Outlook 2010 comes with some very nice filtering features to enable us to deal with this junk email. So make sure you're on the Home tab, come along to the Delete section here and select the button that says Junk, and then select Junk Email Options. And now we're able to actually set the filtering levels to deal with this junk email, so select any level that you think appropriate here. You can also add save senders. Now these are email from addresses or domain names on your save senders list which will never be treated as junk email, so click the add button and add in their email address here and then click OK. You also have safe recipients, which you can do the same thing for, or you can actually block a domain name from sending you any email. Now if you want to actually mark an email sender as being a junk email address, or just select that email in the email window here, and again come up to the Home tab and make sure you're on the Delete section and click on the Junk button, and now you can select this option here saying Block Sender. And it says the sender of the selected message has been added to your block senders list and the message has been moved to the junk email folder, and click OK. If you sent an email to the junk folder in error, the best thing to do is actually to go to the junk folder and click on the email, and then make sure you're on the Home tab here. Under the Delete section, click on Junk and then select the Not Junk option. We can set up rules in Outlook which will determine what Outlook does with a message it receives based on a specific set of conditions. So to do that, make sure you're on the Home tab and then select the email that you want to add the rules to, and then come along here to the Move section and select the Rules option and then select Create a Rule or Create Rule. And now it says when I get email with all of the selected conditions, what I want to do, well, it's from Stephen Webbers, so I'm going to select that. Subject contains Sunday schedule, and sent to me only. And now I can select what I want to do here. Do I want to play a sound? No, I don't particularly want to, but I could move the item to a folder. And the one I think I'll move it to is corporate emails. Select that and then click OK. So I'm happy with that. So anytime I receive a message from this person, Stephen Webbers, with this subject, it's going to be moved to the corporate emails folder. Click OK. It's saying that the rule's been created, and it's saying run this new rule, or run this rule now on messages already in the current folder. So I can tick that, click OK, and it goes off and runs the rule. So now if I look in my corporate emails folder, it's now moved that email from Stephen Webbers into the corporate emails folder, and anything else that comes in now is going to actually automatically be sent to that folder because of that rule that I've set up. When you're setting up your rules, you have a button here called Advanced Options, and that will give you some more options for your rule that you can select. Now if you want to actually delete a rule, then come up here to Rules and select Manage Rules and Alerts, and then select the rule that you want to delete, and then click on the Delete button here, and that will remove the rule.